I become the kind of person others can depend on. Ito din maging question sa sarili mo, no? Magiging become ka ba na person, no? For this video, gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo yung journal ko ngayon. It could be series ito or episode no ng journal ko na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. And tara, atin ng pag-usapan kung ano yung revelation na nabasa ko sa Book of Job. So, mag-start tayo sa Book of Job chapter 6 kasi nga either i-post ko to na August 6 and before of that no, gusto ko lang i-shout out lahat ng kaibigan ko or kung gusto mong sa next video na i-shout out yung pangalan mo, no, you can just comment down or just listen first the video or listen the word of God, then later, no, pag mag-comment ka related to this video, no, sa next video ko i-shout out kita. Everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome to my journey of faith. For today's video, I wanted to share something that's been in my heart. This is actually from my personal Bible journal. It's something God has been teaching me and I feel led to share it with you. Maybe this message is exactly what you need today. If you're watching this video, I believe it's not by accident. So let's dive in, no? Yung verse na babasahin ko today is yung journal ko. So our verse today is Job chapter 6 verse 15. My brothers, you have proved as unreliable as seasonal brook that overflows its bank in the spring. Job or Job was going through one of the hardest season of his life. Na dumaan ka ba ng ganito na in your hardest season of your life? Instead of receiving comfort from the people closest to him, he experienced disappointment. Ikaw din dumaan ka sa hardest moment mo. Like a stream that looked full of season but dried up when people needed water the most. I realize how relevant it is today. In life, some people are only around when everything is going well, but when they are struggling, they slowly disappear. In business, not every partnership is built on loyalty. Some people stay only while there's success or something to gain. In family and also relationship, love isn't proven during celebration only. It's proved during hardship, misunderstanding, and difficult season. I become the kind of person others can depend on. Ito din maging question sa sarili mo, no? Magiging become ka ba na person na makadepend sila sa'yo. It's easy to focus who disappointed us. No? Masakit pag may nasasaktan tayo sa iba. But God first wants us to shape our character. He calls us to be faithful, trustworthy, and present even when it's inconvenient. The good news is this: while people may fail us, God never does. His love is constant. His promises never dry up. His presence remains through every season of our lives. If someone has let you down recently, don't let that harden your heart. Let it remind you to put your confidence in the one who will never leave you nor forsaking you. If this message spoke to your heart, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced someone disappointing you, but saw God's faithfulness through it all? No, share your story in the comment so it might encourage someone else, or type God's faithfulness. If you enjoy this journey of faith, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless.